Hello and welcome to ET Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo, and today we are at Hot Rod Drag Week in Numidia, Pennsylvania. Numidia Dragway or Raceway. I don't live far from this track, and it's first time attending one of these Hot Rod Drag Week events. There are people from all over the country, spectators, all lining up to come in here. This is probably most people this small out back track has seen in God knows when. And there's even people here from Ontario, I think. So there's people from all over the country and Canada. Looks like it's going to be a good event. It's about 7:30, 8 in the morning, something like that. On the way here from my house, I'm about 30 miles away, I've seen at least three of the participants in the drag week broken down on the side of the road. So hopefully they get things going and get here to the event. But right now I got to work my way over to the track where all the action is and see what's going on. Alright, I made it over to the staging area. And you can see they're all lined up over here. And this is the line of cars still coming in, spectators. I'm glad I got here when I did because it is packed. I mean, that's a long line up there. So way up there is where I turned in. There was only like 3 or 4 cars when I got here in line, and the parking lot was already half filled up. So they're going to need every square inch of parking space they have. Let me... Time to get some more coffee in me. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever been to one of these events. And definitely a lot bigger than I thought. Definitely a lot more spectators. Like I was saying, this is probably the most spectators this track has ever seen, and God knows when.
Yeah, you know what you're doing. You've had it.
A lot of nice cars here, that's for sure. Didn't realize there were this many participants in this event. Usually you only see the more popular YouTubers on here. Here's more people coming in. There's all sorts of stands getting set up yet. All that good stuff. Here, if you can hear me over this, and Hickey Thompson, Holly, Summit, of course. I think Summit sponsors the event. Of course, they're selling t-shirts and hoodies and stuff like that. Back there, racing fuel. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I have to say, this is the most activity I've ever seen at this track. Said, if you can hear me, this is a great track to come to on Friday night. If you have a family, they got a little play area over there for the kids, and souvenir stand, and this is their food stand. They have really great food here and at really good prices. So something if if you're ever in this area, it's definitely worth checking out. I'm probably going to finish this coffee and get like an egg sandwich or something, and get back to you guys. All right, they've been running for a little bit now.
He goes to the corner, 851 with an hour, 160 miles an hour. You'll see him again. That is not close enough to 850.
Density altitude right now is about 1,300 feet. It was like just over 1,000 feet when I first got here. So that's the higher that goes, the slower they'll go. That's why they're getting out here first thing in the morning. Hopefully you guys can see this all good on the GoPro. Dragway, Hot Rod Dragway 2025. Okay, we are at the far end of the track, and I think Hot Rod Drag Week 2025, it started in Maryland, then here in Numidia, which is the second day. Yesterday was the first day. Then I think they go to Maple Grove, which is about 2 hours south of here, depending on traffic. And I think they go back to Maryland again. I'm not sure. I don't know. If anyone wants to update me on where the tracks are, just put it down in the comments. Maybe I'll leave it up here. But let's watch some of the action down here and then walk through the pits. Not sure when the big time YouTubers are gonna be running the track. They may not be already run for all I know, but like stay tuned, and Mike Finnegan and all those other big guys. Not sure who's running or who isn't. Yeah, looks like they're holding out for a little bit down there, but let's go walk around the pits. stands, watch the racing, and then after that, end the video.
those new V-Logs going on.
No, they're the kind that you use on like a dirt track car. They're like Euro racing wheels.
Yeah, I thought his V-Log was like old school.
Alright, I got to see Freiberger run and Tony from Stay Tuned. They didn't have too good of runs, but they're still good, pretty neat to watch. I think I'm just going to end the video here and walk around some more and all that good stuff. But this has got to be the most exciting event I've ever seen here in Numidia. They're still got traffic coming in, and it's like 10:30 in the morning, maybe even 11. And I know they're backed up out there on Route 42, which is kind of funny from around here, out here in farm country. You see a traffic jam on Google Maps on Route 42 in Numidia. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, having a great time here in Numidia. It's starting to warm up. Density altitude is up over 1,800, no, over 1,900 feet, I think. It might be close to 2,000 feet now. So that's about 1,000, that's almost 1,000 feet more than when I first got here. So that's going to affect people's times. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I hope everybody enjoyed. Hopefully I got some good footage. And when I edit it, it all comes out pretty good. So everybody have a great day, and God bless.